Hello friends, today we are going to read Smiles, The Sounds of Long Eye by Bob Noyed and Cynthia Amoroso. Smiles, The Sounds of Long Eye. I like to smile. I smile when I ride my bike. I smile when I play with Mike. I smile when I fly my kite. I smile when I take a bite. I smile when I run and hide. I smile when I go down the slide. I smile when I hike a mile. I smile when it rains or shines. I like to smile all the time. The end. Now let's see the word list. Long eye word list. Bike, bite, fly, hide, hike, eye, kite, like, mic, mile, my, ride, shines, slide, smile, time. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time with a different book. Bye.